those sorts of things. So, for instance, if I go to check your record here at the irs.gov website, and this says sign in to your account, and you can sign in with ID Me if you don't have an account, or you can create an account. But this is some of the things you can get when you uh, set up an account with the IRS. You can check how much you owe. You can look at payments made in the past. You can look at AGI records. If you are missing a tax document, that tax document wasn't likely uh, submitted to the IRS and you request that tax document. And there are various accounting reports, tax reports, transcript reports, such as previous tax returns, again, tax documents, and account status if there is a balance or a refund that you're expecting on that account. So it is, I recommend setting up an IRS account, and you'll have greater access of what your tax account looks like at the IRS.